In this video, we're going to explore the Adafruit matrix portal M4 used with a 16 by 32 LED matrix and see how easy it is to get started with CircuitPython. We'll install CircuitPython, wire the hardware, and run a real example from Adafruit. What you'll need: Adafruit matrix portal M4, 16 by 32 RGB LED matrix, USB-C cable, data capable, and optional but recommended a 5-volt 4-amp power supply. USB power from your computer can work for testing, but for a finished product, I highly recommend a dedicated power supply. We can even 3D print a case later. Let's wire everything up first. The LED matrix comes with a power cable. If you're using an external power supply, you can use DC screw terminals that let you connect the simple red and black wires directly to the matrix portal. One nice thing about this project is how simple the wiring is. The matrix portal slides directly into the connector on the back of the LED matrix. No soldering required. You may notice the connector on the matrix portal has more pins than the matrix. That's normal. The portal supports multiple matrix types, so not all pins are used in every setup. Now let's install CircuitPython. All of this information comes from Adafruit's Learn website and the official CircuitPython site. Go to circuitpython.org. Download this UF2 and save it for later. Download the latest CircuitPython 10.x build for the Matrix Portal M4. Download 3 bundles from circuitpython.org/libraries. The library bundle, which is the compiled MPY files, the source bundle, which is the human readable Python, and the example bundles. We'll use the example bundles shortly. Now plug the Matrix Portal into your PC. Double press the reset button. The LED should turn green. If it turns red, your USB cable likely does not support data. A drive called Matrix Boot will appear. Drag the .uf2 file you downloaded onto Matrix Boot. The device will reboot and a new drive called CircuitPy will appear. CircuitPython is now installed. The matrix portal has limited memory. Because of this, we do not copy every library, only what we need. All libraries go into the lib folder on the CircuitPy drive. Copy the following from the library bundle into CircuitPy/lib. Not all of these are strictly required, but this list is recommended by Adafruit and gives us flexibility later. Open the settings.toml file on the CircuitPy drive. There's an example given by Adafruit, but for this example we only need the Wi-Fi SSID and Wi-Fi password. This file lets us keep secrets out of our code, which is much safer than hard coding credentials. Now open the examples bundle you downloaded earlier. Navigate to Examples, Matrix Portal simpletest.py. Copy the contents of that file and paste it into circuitpy/code.py. The default example didn't work correctly for me, so here are the fixes. Change lines 19 and 20. Update the transform function. This now pulls the company name Adafruit instead of a crypto price. And fix the font size. The default text is too large for a 16 by 32 matrix. Download this font. The link is in the description. Create a folder on CircuitPy called Fonts. Place the font inside that folder. Add this near the top of your code. Then update the add text call. Adjust the text position as needed for your. Also remove these 2 lines at the bottom. At this point, your LED matrix should clearly display Adafruit on screen. These displays can pull all kinds of data: weather, APIs, IoT stats, or custom messages, and CircuitPython makes the code easy to read and modify. This is a great foundation for info displays, clocks, smart signage, custom 3D printed projects. If you'd like to see follow-ups like animations, sensors, or custom enclosures, let me know.